You've probably seen the videos online. Someone types a quick prompt into a chat box, and in 2 seconds, an artificial intelligence writes a flawless report or analyzes a spreadsheet. Everything just clicks perfectly into place. Then you look at your own desk. You have 3 different software programs open, sticky notes lining your monitor, and 5 customers waiting for answers right now. The disconnect happens because those impressive videos take place in a vacuum. A real business is a lot messier. It runs on specific rules, older computer systems that don't always talk to each other, and very human processes. Out of the box, an AI model doesn't have a login to your inventory system. It hasn't read your employee handbook, and it definitely doesn't know which decisions need your manager's signature before moving forward. Buying the software is the easy part. The actual work begins when you try to connect that tool to your daily reality. Let's look at something concrete, like processing a customer warranty claim. Before any technology is touched, you map out what actually happens when a claim arrives, step by step. Once you understand the real path, it's the plumbing phase. You build the pipes connecting the AI to the software your team uses every day. These center boxes act as secure bridges. They allow separate programs to talk and share specific information. Looking left, you see the system's fuel, your company's records. Some are organized in databases, others scattered in emails. Without bridges, the AI is blind to that history. Giving an AI access to read that data is a huge step, but it shouldn't be allowed to act without supervision. Without secure access to your company's information, an AI is really just an expensive calculator. When you build the plumbing to connect it, it becomes a customized tool for your operation. This brings us to a crucial step: setting explicit rules for what the AI is and is not allowed to do on its own. In our warranty example, the AI might read the return policy and draft an email to the customer, but we put a hard stop in place. It cannot hit send, and it cannot approve a refund. That restriction is there on purpose, to create a human checkpoint. Your employee reviews the AI's prep work instead of starting from scratch. But what happens when things get complicated? Say a VIP customer writes in angry, or they are returning a product you haven't made in 10 years. Instead of guessing, the system spots the unusual case, flags it, and immediately hands it off to an experienced human to make the call. With the rules and safety nuts in place, you finally turn the system on. Now you watch carefully. You look for solid evidence in your daily operation. You check if the backlog of warranty claims is shrinking, or if your team is spending less time digging through files. You find the real value of this technology when you guide it to improve one specific task and measure the outcome. It's about helping you people do better work, not trying to replace them. Let's check back on that desk from earlier. The chaos of sticky notes and open windows is gone. Instead, the employee is reviewing a single, organized dashboard where the warranty claim is ready for their final approval. Turning a messy experiment into this kind of dependable daily routine doesn't happen as an accident. It requires specific engineering. Buying an AI tool off the shelf is very different from successfully deploying it into a living, breathing business. The person who builds that bridge is a specialist who works right alongside your team. They are the architects who take a raw tool and build the safety nets and connectors that turn it into a real system. At Nipa AI, our experts embed with your organization to map those exact connections. We set the rules, build the human checkpoints, and measure the results together. Don't just buy more AI tools. Prove one workflow.